Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. We just pulled up on a property over here, non-consensual towing. You know what we do. Anyway, this manager, I just left the office. She's given a lot of people extensions. Anybody that contacted her, anybody who did not contact her, I guess they think she ain't gonna tow them. Well, this manager, she's a boss. Anyway, we're gonna get out and check this little Camry. I've already found one. Yeah, looks like we got a test drive tag. It's pretty common. People get stickered numerous times in a row. If they get by one month with it, then they'll do it again. Anyway, we got that one checked. We confirmed that one. I got two confirmed tows. I'm gonna go up here and confirm one more. That way I know whether or not I need to come back over here after I tow these two. We're gonna load up in just a second. Let's see. Dodge Ram truck. We got to check that January tag on that truck. Stickered multiple times. Yeah. Okay, we got three. No, we got three on property, so we're gonna go ahead and go ride back up here. You can tell by looking underneath this next one I'm fixing to load. You can tell by looking up under the car that it's been sitting there for a while. Go. Next up, we're gonna grab this Camry. The white Camry's over here. We'll go ahead and grab it. I have made a lot of comments about these test drive tags. I've towed literally hundreds of test drive plates that people put on their cars to try to not get towed, and they get towed every time. You're gonna get yanked. That's just how it works if you got a test drive tag. Anyway, I'll be back over here to this property here in a minute. I got to get some more off this property. I know for sure I got a Dodge Ram back there with a January plate on it, January 20. And it's been sitting there abandoned, so we'll be back over here after we go to the lot. Anyway, stay tuned. Uh-oh. Look at that one. This car has been stickered 4 times. We're gonna have to go ahead and get this one. Sure enough. Anyway, this next one I got, it's a Honda, little Honda Accord, front wheel drive, and it's nosed in. So I'm gonna have to hook it from the rear and then pull it up further up the street up here and flip it around and rehook it. Gonna have to hook this one twice because I can't get to the front. What's up, man? Hey, you stay back, bro. That's a taser. Hey, my property. I tell you, hey, calm down, bro. Hey, calm down, okay? You're the one pulling out a weapon. No, hey, because you screaming at me. I'm working for the property. I'm working for the property. No, dude. Go get him. Get hooked. Hey, you the one who said fuck him. Hey, no, you come up screaming. I'm telling you, bro. Hey, calm. Just stay calm. This shit right here put you on the pavement, bro. Yo, you gonna put me on the pavement? This right here will. Stay calm. Stay calm. Hey, I got it on video. Stay calm. Good. Stay calm. No, you stay calm and it won't happen. I can be as... No, you ain't gotta come run up on me, bro. Hey, I'm working for the property. I'm working for the property. That's my blue car right there. Oh, it's you. Hey, you good. Hey, listen, you good. I ain't gonna hit your car. Okay. I do it professional. Yeah. Nah, bro. Hey, I got it on video. He come charging up on me. I pulled a taser. You know what I'm saying? And what are you supposed to do when somebody come running up crazy? Oh, we're gonna be all right, but it's got a bad, see, it's been stickered multiple times. That dude was tripping. Straight up tripping, man. Here comes the manager. How you doing? I saw a white Accord in it. And
I know, that's, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, listen, he said I pulled a weapon. I pulled a taser on him because he...
acting crazy, but you know,
did he come up here too?
He's a courtesy officer.
Yeah, listen, he almost put his hands on me. But, like I said, I'm not pulling off. I said, calm down. First off, calm down.
Right. Mistake.
I wish I know. But see, if he would have told me...
Right.
That hey, I've talked to her. I would immediately stop what I was doing. Immediately. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Anyway, we just pulled off property. I wanted to explain that a little bit better. Anytime you have a resident that gets violently angry, that's the last thing you want on a property. The last thing this manager wants is somebody on her property that's angry to the point that he might violently act out. That's the last thing they want. Now, most properties in a situation like that will not tow the car, just for the simple fact of stopping the situation from getting worse. They don't want a violent confrontation on their property. Any manager almost all the managers that I know of, that's the last thing they want to happen is have a violent confrontation or something go down on their property on their watch. So most managers will figure out what's best for the property and for the resident, and they will you make exceptions, and they'll ask the tow guy to drop. That particular instance was that car had been stickered multiple times. The only thing is that gentleman did talk to the office, and she did mark it off to not tow. Only problem was there was 2 Honda Accords at that same building, and if that gentleman would have told me that he talked to the office, that situation would have turned differently. Anyway, just give me a little heads up. That's how it goes. Sometimes it works out. Sometimes it can get out of control.